Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a shift keycap. First, gather your essential tools, primarily a keycap puller. This simple device is crucial for safe removal without damaging your keycap or switch. Before you begin, always ensure your keyboard is unplugged from your computer. This prevents any accidental key presses or electrical issues while you're working. Finally, clearly identify the specific shift keycap you intend to remove. Many larger keycaps, like the shift key, utilize stabilizers to ensure a consistent and even press across the entire key. These stabilizers are usually found on both the left and right sides of the central switch stem. They consist of a wire bar or small plastic housings that help distribute the force. Understanding how these components work together is vital for a smooth and damage-free removal process. To begin the removal, carefully slide the wires of your keycap puller under two opposite corners of the shift keycap. Ensure the wires are fully beneath the keycap's edge. Now, apply gentle and even upward pressure. You should feel the keycap slowly disengage from the switch stem and the stabilizer points. If you encounter some resistance, a slight wiggle can help, but never use excessive force, as this could damage the switch or the keycap itself. After successfully removing the keycap, take a moment to inspect the switch and stabilizer components for any accumulated dust or debris. This is an excellent opportunity for a quick clean. Before putting it back, ensure the keycap itself is clean. To reinstall, carefully align the keycap's cross-shaped stem with the switch and the two stabilizer points. Apply firm, even pressure until you hear a satisfying click, indicating it's securely in place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.